Hey Grant Cousins, today we have another grant for you. Well, today we are talking about a $10,000 grant. Keep watching to learn more and see how you can get a piece of the pie.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
This grant is called the Comcast RISE grant, and it is aimed to help small businesses that need technology makeovers in their business. Comcast RISE is aware of small businesses that have been dealing with the ongoing impact of the pandemic, social unrest, and environmental events. Small businesses owned by people of color or women have been some of the hardest hits. According to the National Bureau of Economic Research, between January and April 2020, the number of active Black-owned businesses declined by 41%. Latinx-owned businesses declined by 32%, and Asian-owned businesses dropped by 25% versus just 21% for the general population. So Comcast RISE was created to invest in the success of these crucial businesses by providing valuable and practical support. In order to qualify for this $10,000 grant, you must meet the following criteria. You are eligible to apply for this grant if your business is at least 51% owned and operated by someone who identifies as a person of color, including Black, Indigenous, Hispanic, and Asian American owners, or a woman. Number 2, if you're independently owned and operated and not a franchise location. Number 3 is registered to conduct business in the United States. Number 4, you have been operating for 1 or more years. Number 5 is located within the Comcast business or Effect TV service area footprints. Now, the deadline for this grant is October 14th of 2022 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. If awarded this grant, selective businesses could receive 1 or more of the following elements. Consulting. This includes advertising and marketing consultations with local Effect TV marketing, research, and creative teams to gain insight on how to grow your business. Number 2, media. This includes a linear TV media schedule over a 90-day period. Creative production. This includes a turnkey production of a 30-second TV commercial plus a media strategy consultation with a 90-day media placement schedule. Technology makeover. This includes computer equipment, in internet, voice, and cybersecurity service for 12 months, or a monetary grant, which includes $10,000 to invest into your business growth and sustainability. There is $11 million in grants, so 1,100 businesses will be selected for a monetary grant. Now, the application is pretty straightforward and should only take you 25 minutes to fill out. They do ask some short questions that do require short answers, so let's go over them so you could be prepared when applying for this grant. So question 1 asks, how does your service impact your community and larger market? This is where you want to mention if your product or service solves a problem in your community. And you may want to highlight a story that changed a customer life by using your product or service. Question 2 asks, how do you use technology in your business today, and what technology do you lack that would help your business thrive? This is where you want to mention any marketing or outreach you do in your business. Do you use Instagram, TikTok, email marketing, or YouTube to reach the masses? The grant teams want to know if you lack any marketing in your business, because Comcast RISE grant will provide you with the marketing, the creative, the media, and the technology services for your small businesses. So make sure you are very specific about your technology goals and what you think your business needs to thrive with technology. Question 3 asks, How have this year's challenges affected your ability to operate your business? This is where you want to mention if any pandemic and or high inflation challenges have affected your business, and add some numbers if you are able to give them an idea of how much you lost in your business due to the world issues. Question 4 asks, what sets your company apart from others in the industry? Is there a unique aspect to your company that you could use as a point of differentiation? Question 5 asks, what are some of the challenges you've experienced this year? Well, this is where you want to mention any downfalls in your companies and be honest about this. Did you lose customers? Is your inventory out of stock? Did you have to lay off employees? Make sure you be honest about the challenges in your business this year. Question 6 asks, how would support from the Comcast RISE program impact your business and help it grow? This is where you want to mention how the $10,000 grant and the other incentives that they offer with this grant will help your business. If you can, please be specific about each $500 to $1,000 you plan to put towards your business and how it would improve your business with growth. They want to see numbers and how it will go towards your business expenses. If you do not qualify for any of these grants, please share this video with someone who does. I'm currently working on presenting more grants for all of my viewers, so make sure to subscribe to find out the latest. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and find that link in the description box below in the pinned comments to join the private group Credit Cousins to keep up with more credit tips and tricks. See you in the next one. Bye.